Happy birthday, Eileen.
Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8. Happy birthday, Eileen. Me first, I miss you so much, Eileen, and I hope you're doing well there, and I hope you're enjoying your life, being a single mom, and I hope your kid is really okay. And even if this is only a 4th piece of cake, I hope this will fit for your bibingka. Will fit for your bibingka, and will make you walk as always. Happy birthday. Hope all the happiness in your life. From Ray, Mama.
Hi, Lynn. Happy birthday. Surprise ka no. Nag-PM na ko yung boyfriend. Then, wish na ko magmalipayon ka. Ikaw, Suti.
Hi Marie, happy birthday. Ayok na si Imukula, si Imukuyam, si Buna, kung Buna na. Kinanglan, pag ulit yung wang-wang na kamaring ha.
I hope
Happy birthday.
mao nagitna siya. Then, ayaw pagkalimot pag-invite na mo sa imong wedding. Happy birthday. Hi, ma'am. Happy birthday. Miss you. Mwah-mwah. Dali, birthday sa anak ni
Hi
Patrick.
Lynn, happy birthday.
Oh, Patrick.
Stay healthy. Then, enjoy life lang. I miss you.
We miss you.
Nanawag ka na rin.
Bye-bye.
Lynn, ako lang natin.
Si bye-bye. Eileen.
Ha?
Video.
Maman, ano na rin?
Birthday na.
Isa kayo lang.
Isa.
Wala na, naubos.
Hi. Birthday ni Uma.
Happy birthday tomorrow.
Milana si Badolo.
Ayan, Bacho.
Hasta walk.
I miss you so much. Hope we'll see each other when you're visiting here.
Bye-bye. Miss you. Bye-bye.
Vamonos, everybody. Let's go.